Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Hotspot and explain all of its settings on your OnePlus 10 Pro. So in order to access our hotspot, we'll need to go to our settings, connections and sharing. Now find personal hotspot right here, and you can already enable it right now like this. But in order to customize it, you will need to press on it, and from here you can also enable it or disable it. You can share it with your QR code by just scanning it with other phone. You can change the settings right here, and the first one is changing the name. So if we change it, for example, hard reset like that, it will appear on our other phones when they try to connect with this name. We can change the security certificate, and I would recommend using VPA3 and not using VPA1 or VEP if you have it available for some reason, because it's easy to breach, and yeah, the VPA2 and 3 is the best option. Now here we can change the password, but keep in mind that the password needs to have at least 8 digits to work, so let's just go with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A P-band basically means the speed of your network, and if you choose 2.4, it will decrease the speed of your network but increase its range. And if you take the 5, it will increase the speed significantly but will reduce the range. The next option is visible to other devices, and it means what it says. So if you enable it, it will be visible to other devices, and if you disable it, the hotspot won't be visible on other devices. You can enable Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, and that's a more advanced like hotspot, but all the connections will be faster and everything like that. But on some older devices it might not be possible to connect. So I set up everything here, press OK, so the settings are changed now. We can also check the connection management, and here we have the block list, and we can see which device we blocked from the usage. We can change maximum allowed connections, so for example I'm just gonna pick 2, and you can use the data restriction for other phones. So you can choose, for example, 10 gigabytes of usage, and then the hotspot will turn off for the specific device. And then next option is automatically turn off personal hotspot. So if you enable that and no devices are connected for 10 minutes, it will turn off automatically. So now that we set up everything, we can try to connect our other phone to this mobile hotspot. So give me the second. So here's that other phone. And let's search for the Wi-Fi for this hotspot, because it's enabled and it should be somewhere here. Here's hard reset info, but it should be hard reset. Let's enable visible to other devices and save the settings. Now if we retry, it should be visible. It is. Let's press to connect, and now type in the password. So as you can see, I'm connected and everything works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.